can't find him? Dude, we've been searching forever. You know he's around here, man.
I just can't find him. I want to beat him so bad.
Did you look everywhere?
I did.
Where'd you look?
Everywhere. Everywhere. I just can't find him.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, dude.
Did you search more than once?
Yes.
Because you know he's running from us. Dude, you know you tried to pin him in the ring and he wasn't there. Did you find him?
Yeah.
Shit, dude. Where is he?
I can't find him.
Fuck, dude.
Oh, fuck. There he is.
Dude. El Toro has been searching for this guy to fight forever since he left the ring and he was too shy to fight. Come on, Dad! You ready to fight, man?
Huh, come on! Huh! You didn't really hit me for real. Come on. That's your real ass.
He did not just do that.
Huh? What you gonna do now? What you gonna do now, huh? Okay. Never take my mask off. Nunca. Never take my mask off. You do. Was that a real hit? Was that a real hit? Oh, hell no. So now, what's up now? I win!
Win!
I win!
Yeah!
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 Yeah! I just can't believe I can't believe
dude? Dude? You're dead now.
Tell the camera. Fuck are you? Tell who wins! Tell who wins! Oh, not you beating. This is Macho Man. Huh? Huh? Oh, you miss. You miss again.